Hello everyone. It's now. Today I am going to discuss you about how you prepare CLAT after class 10th exam. Children's got stuck about in their mind. Things got stuck how they prepare after class 10, what approach they go to for English. So I suggest you some things which you should follow while preparing for English. So let's start. The first thing is start reading. The most important thing you should focus is the reading section. Start with 3 hours, read, remember and revise. Do a lot of reading as much as you can. Like read the newspaper as much as you can. Editorial section is very important. If you are preparing for CLAT after class 10th, you got the most 2 years in which you prepare while without affecting your board's examination. So you should read your newspaper in a very broad way, especially the editorial section, because when you talk about current affairs, it asks the current affairs for the year for 1 year. In initial days you should focus your English, because it takes lot of time to score good marks in English. You should start doing these types of things because it's a long term thing, long term investment. You should focus. Editorial section is very important. Do not mug up everything, okay? Like if you want to study things like go international and national news, good for that. But the things like editorial part, you must focus on that. Like if you got some words, if you while reading editorial section you got the word which you find it difficult or which a new word, write it down on copy or anything, and then after writing it down, start making the sentence of that word. Make a copy of the editorial section where you write down the words and the meanings. So while writing down, you got to remember. You will remember the things how they are using in, and while making sentence, you also go to the synonyms and antonyms and of that words. Okay. If you want to go with newses, so go with news also, like national and international news. You should go with that kinds of stuffs also, and you can enhance your English by reading that also. Like if you got some news on which help you in GK also. Like if you got some news of geographical indication, so write it down of what is geographical indication, and go to the words also. Like while writing down geographical indication, go to the present about what is the news of geographical indications or any other thing. To go to the past also. While doing this, you can enhance your English writing skills, which all these kind of things help you in CLAT. After going to law school, these kinds of things help you in that. The second is do a lot of reading, just like what I highlighted in the earlier slides. Editorial part is very important. Highlight the words, write it down on the newspaper, write it down on the copy, write it down. After writing it down, make the sentences of that word and try to use it in everyday life, because you're having the almost 2 years to do your English section. So you must pull all your socks up and do the things with all the possibility of coming up to the top 5 NLUs. So starting with the editorial part, just like I earlier said, write some words if you got it on a plain paper or copy, and after writing it, make sentence on that, understand the meaning. The third thing is write the synonyms and antonyms of that word, and try to use it in day-to-day life. And after using it day-to-day life, when you write an essay part, okay, essay or something, because you want to enhance your English, right? So write it down on essay and try to use that word, okay. The next thing is syllabus of English. So you should know the syllabus of English. What exactly the syllabus of English? Vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms and analogies, English proficiency, idiom and phrases. You have to read idioms and phrases. There's a book of A.G. Rego, okay? They have a series in which you got the one word substitution and idioms and phrases, good idioms and phrases. And after good idioms and phrases, So you use that book or any other for your English in building, rearrangement of sentence in paragraph. So vocabulary, antonyms, these are the very wide thing. Okay, it's not always necessary कि जो आप पढ़े हो it always come to the exam, but the most crux where you can score the good marks is the idioms and phrases, one word substitution. These things are being repeated in the exam. So from taking help from the past year examination, also from the past year paper, you will get to know what things have been asked in these one word substitution, sentence improvement. So practice all these things like idioms and phrases. You should memorize these things, and you should not juggle up anything in your mind. Just read it thoroughly. After reading it thoroughly, you got the idea and remember the things. Okay. English usage error. These are the things which also you have done till class 10, like spotting error, inappropriate usage of words, spelling mistake, use of correct sentence, jumble sentence. So that these three sections where RC is being asked. In RC, what this important thing is, there's a tips and tricks in RCs. In RCs, where you get the paragraph, start reading the question first. Start reading the question at least 3 times. When you read the question and then you read the paragraph, you get to know what question has been asked and you have to answer according to that. Okay, this is a trick. First read the question and then the paragraph, and after reading the question and then the paragraph, you will not puzzle it out in the end. In fact, you got the answers at very earlier. So these are the RCs, you will go through it. And because you're having the 2 years, practice RC, take the command on English usage error and English proficiency parts. You have to be in very confidence in that, like rearrangement of sentence in paragraph, words, rearrangement of words into sentence, one word substitution. These 3 things you must be in very good score. Okay, vocabulary is not in your hands, but these 3 things must be in your hands. Okay, so enhancing vocabulary, you do your newspaper, and these 3 you must go to the practice session, must go to the series and do these kinds of stuffs. So you can score good marks by mastering English proficiency part, English usage error and RCs. You can get good marks in RCs. Okay. And vocabulary, you can get good marks also in vocabulary, but you do a lots of hard work in that, and I definitely think you will go to that what I have told you about the newspaper and everything. So this is it. All the very best. Comments are always welcome. So if you have any queries, then ask. Okay, bye. Thank you.